guys, welcome to my channel Finding Vintage Jewelry. As you know that I've been continuing updating you guys with all my unboxing experience for Hermes Scarf, and today I have just received a new parcel, so yeah, very exciting. And at the same time I wanted to show you the latest purchase on the Hermes Scarf Rings. I think that one is called Regata. The pink nose, very cute. So okay, let's get started. And first of all, yeah, that's the package I have just received, and I will just open it now. And this time I have 4 scarves in total, and at the same time I will also quickly show you just quickly show you the style. And especially I want to try out my scarf rings because yeah, I only just got a couple days ago, so I can show that in front of you at the same time. So that is the package I received. So very exciting because I'm waiting for that for over a week, so you can imagine how excited I am. So now, yeah, as I mentioned, I have a total 4 scarves, but obviously one come with a box, and the other 3 just in a usual pack because they are pre-loved. So I'm not expecting everything, as if you're brand new, because you do pay much less in price. So now, first one, let's start it. So I want to show you the first one. It's I think that's very cute one, because I'm very excited about this one. It's very modern. It doesn't look very much. It could be vintage, but it's not as like old as the other one. You can see from the pattern. It's pretty much like a polo thing. So it's not a racer, it's more like a polo, because in the actual scarf itself has got a, the guy riding the horse with the putt and not golf ball. I was initially thinking they golf, but no, they're not. I think they're polos, and I just love the color of the different shade of blue colorway, and also you got a bit of white color comes out. So I can quickly show you the design. I think here is the Hermes Paris, and you will see all the, do you call it jokers or whatever you call that, but they're all in a different outfit, and the horses, it's very it's just very busy, but yeah, I think it's lovely. So what I can do, I can just quickly show you, see what it look like if I try it on. So I just do a very quick tie as usual, and yeah, I think I like it, especially goes really well with a white color shirt, and today I especially use a white color shirt. So yeah, and in the meantime I show you the scarf ring I have. So that's the box I have, and very tiny little box, and so cute. And then I put all my scarf ring inside of this little pouch, and then I show you what's it look like in more detail. I did have 2 because I can't decide which one is better than the others. So one is gold, one is silver toned. I'm not sure you can see clearly. There are logos inside, like Hermes logos, but that's the gold color scarf ring. And this is the silver one. So yeah, I think very cute pig nose, very famous Regata. So now let me just try the silver one in this new scarf I just ordered. So So I haven't really spent a lot of time to play those rings, but I just found it's very stylish if you just want to have a quick tie. And that's the style of the Hermes scarf ring. So yeah, that's the scarf number 1. So I do like it. I think it's very easy to wear, and it's a bit of between blue and green. Just show you another quick look at it. Okay, now let's move on to the second staff. The second staff I see is quite popular on eBay store. It's I think it's called Longchamps. I'm not sure it's anything to do with the handbag of French handbag Longchamps, but I will show you. So that's the pattern. It's very I feel like it's quite old design, because you got all those like 18th centuries carriage man, you know, and here is the title of the scarf. Yeah, and it's like 2 circles of horse carriages with different characters, like just to showcase the times in the 18th centuries. And it's a lovely color. We have a bit of green at the background, and then on the edge you have all those great beautiful golden, like a horse, not a statue, like some kind of decorative designs. And the 4 side, I think these 4 sides look, they are the same. So yeah, that's the whole design. Here is the logo, Hermes Paris, if you can see it here, I believe. And it looks to me the quality is really good. It's very light weighted, you know, it's beautiful Hermes silk. Sorry. So now let me try this one quickly. And I love the pink color. I think pink, you can't go anything wrong with the pink. And I think my mom will love pink. So yeah, I'll show you what this one looks like. So that would be this pink, yeah, the pink scarf. It's very feminine. And on another style I can do is I have this gold Hermes scarf ring. I can quickly try in this one as well, since you have the gold color way in this scarf as well. Yeah, I think I might prefer the gold a bit better, because it just bring more and more like more trendy. Have a bit of like a mental shine, add a bit of shine into it. So this the scarf number 2. Now let's move on to scarf number 3. Wow, that's a very unusual design. Oh, beautiful. I show you. It's a little bit worn, I think, compared to the other 2. The other 2 are a lot more newer. This one you can feel in your hand, like probably has been worn before. It's very definitely pre-loved. However, the pattern itself is very beautiful. I think it's very rare, because I hardly see this pattern. I was really happy I get it. And you see that the pattern is very much like Arabic style. Do you agree with me? Arabic, I think. I'll show you all those paintings. So it's a little bit similar to the one I had. And then on the side they have got horse head. And a bit similar to the one I had, like I think recently I showed you one of a new scarf I bought for those African, like a hunting scene. And this one I don't think is hunting scene, but oh, they could be here. See? Yeah, I think that's a beautiful colorway. You got beautiful blue, and then and also gold, and there's a lot of yellow and blue color in it. Yeah, I didn't see any red, but But yeah, I think that's a lovely choice, and I really like this one. So now let me just have a quick try on this one as well. I won't go too complicated. I think I just wanted to quickly show how does the color go with my white top. So now let's just do a quick tie. So yeah, that's quite easy to wear. I think I like it. I really do. I think I'm very happy with this one. Right? Okay, so that's number 3. Now let's come to the last one. I always like to leave the best to the last. So last one is the one that has a special box. And let me open up in front of you. So that's the box. Check it out. Yeah, I'm always excited to have a box so that I can store my best scarf inside. All right, ready? Voila. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know the title of this one, but it's all made of not made of, like all the pattern of tassels. So here, I know there are different colorways available, but I do love the pink base color, and they even have the care tag. So this one have very good, in a very good condition. I will show you the whole design. Look at that. I feel like this one has never been worn before. It feels brand new. So I'm really happy with this one. If I give a score, this one be 9 out of 10. so that's how much I love it. I'll show you some details. You can see the beautiful tassels. There's a lot of them, all different colors. And all this, yeah, very busy, right? I'm just looking at it from the back. But yeah, you can have a good look at that. I think it's very good quality. So before I put the belt, I want to try it on like usual. So maybe I do this triangle tie just to see how this look. Maybe a bit too tight, but alright. Okay. So yeah, that's my very last Hermes scarf. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and stay tuned. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll keep you guys updated for all my exciting purchases. Thank you. Bye.